Recording started.
Any
Ye-
proof?
yes,
You'll
sir.
be
So,
free to talk.
yes, sir. I recently just was assigned to the case, so I'm getting brought up on a lot of the evidence that I have here. But reviewing my client's evidence and speaking with my client about the case, from what I can see here, we have no evidence, no narcotics turned in. We have no witnesses here saying they saw my client selling any type of narcotics. I'm really seeing a case of he say, where we have one a law enforcement officer who seems to be abusing power by one arresting my client by detaining him first. By first off detaining my client without a lack of evidence, he was given the permission to search my client, and he didn't find any type of narcotics on my client to further another search of my client's vehicle. My client is a law-abiding citizen who also owns multiple businesses in this city. So, as he wasn't given the rights that a citizen in this city deserves to have, he was snatched out of his car, arrested, taken to the station, and put on a monitor where has affected his business to the day. He can't go anywhere in the city without being monitored or harassed by this police department. Now, if he was doing something wrong and he had drugs, by all means, he should go to jail. But we can't say everybody who's a black man in this city is doing something illegal and should be patted down, searched, arrested, and put in monitor and put into prison as well. So from what I'm seeing in this case, Yonder, I don't know if you have any other evidence, but I don't see any interactions with any drug dealers or any type of drug addicts with my client. I just see my client speaking to this officer and being arrested.
Is that all you have to say?
Yes, sir.
Please take your seat. Defense, do you have any stance on this? Anything you want to say?
I only got one thing to say. Who is that guy? The man wasn't there. It was me and him. I showed you the facts. That's all I got to fight this. I don't got no lawyer, no fancy talk piece.
Damn, his lawyer gotta be here.
All I got is the facts.
I see.
And I never charged him with any drugs. So I don't know what he talk about. Drugs being in evidence. I never found no drugs. We already know that.
Yonder, I'd like to say something else as well.
Walk up.
And there's also we would like to address the harassment of my client. Um, there are certain conditions that my client would like to have restored, like some of his rights, as far as gun privileges, if he is acquitted of this crime. The charges, sir, we still haven't got a clear readout on what the charges were. That's why I stated that we don't have any type of drugs, we don't have any type of contraband being found on him. So
Sir,
we
there's
would
no
like those
tampering.
also. We would like those looked at. I'm
Tampering.
sorry, what's that?
He
Tampering?
was charged for tampering.
Yes, sir. Tampering with what, Your Honor?
He was charged for entering his vehicle right as the police came to store stuff in his glove box.
Was anything found on
At
my
least,
client though?
Guilty.
I
at least that's what
Guilty.
the officer there over there said.
Yes, sir. I understand, sir. I was just trying to follow up on the charges because I have a tampering charge. But only thing I'm being told is my client entered his own property. So I'm trying to figure out why we even here for tampering with your own stuff. If you go to your house and you go in your garage, can a police come up to you and say you're tampering with your garage?
At the point where a police officer pulls up and is seen by the plaintiff, and when the plaintiff runs away or walks into some area, or like this example, enters his vehicle, it can be seen as reasonable suspicion for trying to hide something.
Yes, sir. I understand that completely, sir. And my client also cooperated with the officer and he allowed him to search him. So at that point, if anything is the cooperation is there. Now, if anything further is found on my client, that should allow further searches. Do we agree?
Yes, but reasonable suspicion allows him to search his vehicle as well. And at the time, he couldn't search his
Right.
vehicle.
But that was at no doing with my client. My client didn't stop him from searching. He didn't tell him no, you cannot search. He said that he said he wanted to detain, he wanted to arrest, and at that point of arrest, that's when he tried to search. Now my client didn't
Can
stop him.
can we get the defense here, his side of the story as well, please?
The tampering came before he even complied. He complied after he put the stuff in his glove compartment. That's when
So
the
I
tampering came.
object. I object. I object. He's saying he put something in his glove compartment. We didn't find anything in his glove
Calm
compartment.
down, calm down. Let him finish, please, and you'll come back. Finish, please, defense.
If just like you said, if he run when I pull up, sirens, lights, he run from me. He jump in his car. His pocket, he's already in his glove box. There's nothing I could do but pull him out. So
I never
anything he
ran from
stored
him,
in his
bro.
glove box locked in there. That's where the tempering came from.
I never ran from him.
I see. And how long has he
I
been?
never ran from him.
I got
He's been on
On
leg
Like,
monitor.
probation?
Been on the GPS.
Yeah.
you. Yana, I
7,
object.
8
Yana,
days.
Yana, I object to claim that my client ran from the officer.
It's on
Uh,
body cam.
It's on body cam. I did not see any running on body cam either.
Thank you, Yana.
So when I pulled up, you didn't see him go get in and jump in his car away from me?
Well, it was not running. It was jumping in the car. Yes, that is correct. I saw that, but not running
No.
away from you, as in running,
No, he didn't flee from me.
fleeing. Yeah. Okay.
Words matter, Yana. Words matter in the court of law.
And they do indeed.
I
Can
never
you,
charged him with fleeing or resisting.
defense, is that all you have to say? Anything else?
That's all I gotta say, man.
All right. Can the lawyer from the plaintiff step up again, please? Anything from you?
No, sir. We rest our case.
Okay. Please give the court a few moments to review our final judgments.
You call for recess?
Defense, one more question. How long is his current sentence? Defense.
For a moment. It says he looking at 70 months.
17. Okay.
Yana, I would also like to have that time already served because my client has been on ankle monitor since that day. Um, so that should also be taken into consideration the time that he's already served.
That was a choice made by your client.
Regardless, it was done.
All right. Order.
Remember, you want your gun license back.
your shit back.
That order.
The court has carefully reviewed the evidence and arguments presented by both parties. In the case of Giovanni versus Tampa Police Department, the court rules in favor of the plaintiff.
Yes, sir.
Due to
Yes,
there being
sir.
reasonable
Let's
Yes,
suspicion,
go.
motherfucker.
Thank you.
due to there being reasonable suspicion of tampering but no narcotics found, the plaintiff's sentence will be reduced by half, effective immediately. Tampering charge still stays, and the TPD will be charged $50,000 for unlawful seizure of a firearms license.
Yes,
And
mother.
also
Yes,
return
sir.
to the plaintiff immediately. This is the final judgment of
50
the court.
How,
The court
how
will
you gonna
adjourn.
get a? How you gonna get a? How the charge gonna stay and he gonna get a gun license with a felony? I gotta get it together.
Probably get it expunged.
Thank you, sir. We can get that as one, sir. We respect you.
Thank
We
you.
respect your ruling, Your Honor. We will not walk out your courtroom and
Thank you, Your
discuss.
Honor.
We respect your ruling, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor. Appreciate you.
Oh, Your
Have a
Honor,
good
we need
night.
this ankle monitor removed as well, sir, before my client leaves this courtroom today. He should not be monitored.
His sentence is reduced by half, so if it was 70, it will be 40. It will be 40.
So he will have to.
35.
So he have to remain on the monitor to that time.
He will.
Okay, but his gun license will be restored.
That is correct.
Okay, we can accept that.
I'm alright with that.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
No problem.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for the
You're
support.
welcome.
Hey, Ben.
Get up out of here. Yeah.
Good word,
Get
Ben.
up
Good
out of
word.
here.
Big W. Hey, Ben, I also want to holler at you real quick. You come
All
over
right.
here.
Yeah, I got you, my
Hey,
man.
so I'm gonna give you half of them 50 racks. So that's 25 for you. I'm gonna give you 60 for representing me. And I also want to sue TPD with the video I sent you. You could review it to see. Well, I'll get your opinion on it if you think I should sue. But I sent you a clip on the city clips of them harassing me and trying to bribe me. They trying to bribe me
Oh,
$500,000
okay.
to drop this case.
Okay. And you got clips on.
Yeah, it's on city clips right now. I wrote a caption on it. Them harassing me and trying to bribe me.
Okay,
And you can
absolutely.
hear you can hear the officer Dallas asking me, and you can hear the other officer Sales trying to bribe me as well. So and he wasn't a part of my case, but Dallas was. But I wanna sue both of them for trying to for harassing me and trying to bribe me.
Oh yeah, absolutely. We gotta just get us appointment set, and where you see we just got on for 50 racks. You see what we just did?
Yep.
What you think we gonna get their ass? What? All
Yeah, I
that
want to
evidence,
sue
the
them for as
motherfuckers.
much
We
as I
gonna.
can.
Oh yeah,
I want to sue them.
oh yeah.
Like
See, we're
if you
gonna
watch
start
the
off
clip, you let
big.
me know.
Yeah, we're gonna start off big, something like that. We start off big. We hit them 10 million, and we work our way on down from there. We happy with 1 to 5, but we gonna go at 10 first. We gonna get
Hey,
this
fact.
money.
Hey, and you got my word. You'll get 50%.
Okay.
You will have
All right.
50%. You got my word on that.
You got a wire trans. You can wire transfer.
Uh, yeah.
Or you got it in cash.
I could do it however. I got it in the bank too.
We can do
I'm
wire
trying.
trans. We can do wire transfers. I don't want them to
How could you
go
bill me?
go to your.
Oh,
Let me
hold
see.
on. Like if you bill me, I gotta pay it cash, right? Hold on.
Yeah.
How do I go to?
Hold on, real quick. You just
Oh,
go
I gotta
to
go to
your
my bank.
bank.
I go to my
Yeah, go
bank,
to
right?
your bank
And
and
then
hit
I send.
send. Yeah.
All right, so I gotta send you. All right, I told you I'm gonna give you 60 for representing me.
Let me get you. I
All
got
right.
you in my contacts. Let me put you.
No, I actually need your number as well.
put you in the context right
Ben Crump, I need you. I need you. You're the best lawyer. I need you, and I'm gonna bring you hella clients, and you're gonna get every time we win, you're gonna get 50% if you get me.
Oh yeah, man. It's all about this money, man. We gonna get these
So
boys. I told you that.
yes, sir. All right, all right. I'm gonna go to the bank. All right, so hold on. I got to pull out my calculator. So I said 60 for representing me, right? And then how much did we win?
We made 20. We made 50. So that's 25. That's 85.
25. All right, plus 25. Okay.
That's
So that's 85.
85.
I bet. So I gotta send you 85. I'm gonna send you right now. Oh, hold on. Oh, shit.
Coming here with that old
Okay.
flimsy case, man. What's wrong
Oh
with these
yeah.
guys, man?
I gotta. Okay, here you go, Ben Crump. Hold on. What the hell? Hey. Whatever. You can keep that. I don't care.
Okay, it got it.
I
Got it
gave you
now.
extra. I gave you extra. Okay, you can keep it.
Nah, they
I'm
take out
happy.
a fee. They
Oh, okay,
charge you a
okay.
fee. Yeah, that's the fee. The
Okay.
bank
Yeah,
transfer fee.
good. I appreciate you.
Ah, yeah, man. There's no problem at all, my guy. No
Yes,
problem at
sir.
all.
And
Anytime.
if you
That's
could,
free money.
yeah, and if you could look at review the evidence I sent you of them harassing me and trying to bribe me, just let
Okay.
me know what you think and shit.
No, we
Should I?
got evidence. We got evidence. It's right now the best time is to strike now. We go
All
ahead
right.
and we get everything filed with the courts.
Yes.
We can get us a court date. We got a lenient judge. And after that little stunt he pulled walking out on the judge, I don't think he gonna have a good time next time he see the judge.
At all. All right.
Yeah.
So will you take care of all the court dates and just let me know, or I do it myself?
Yeah. I'm gonna try to get it all filed with the courts now, so we can get that done. So I'm gonna go around here and talk to these guys now.
All right, and then you just give me a call and give me a heads up.
I got you.
All right, thank you. All right, thank you for
All
your
right, man.
business. Appreciate you.
No problem, man.
Yes, sir. Man, we gotta
Well,
celebrate,
yes,
bro.
sir, man. No cap,
This is
man.
lit.
Congratulations. Come here real quick.
Oh shit, just spank that shit.
Yeah, man. Congratulations, man.
Lit. Spank that shit.
Think of why.
Oh man.
No
Ooh,
cap, man. I already
that's
knew what
fire.
time it was.